Hi guys, welcome to Cypress Real Tech Review. Someone has asked me about continuing apps on other devices. Now, as far as I know, this obviously I've only got the Fold. I've got the Fold and the Tab S7, the Fold 2 and the Tab S7 Plus. So I know that they work on these two devices without a problem, and they only work with the internet, which is the Samsung internet and Samsung Notes. They don't work with any other applications. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go into the cogs. You're going to go into the notification shade, press on that cogwheel, and then you're going to go down to advanced features. Because you're going to click continue apps on other devices, and you're going to do the same on your phone. This only works with Samsung Notes and the Samsung Internet Browser. So what's going to happen now is, let's say you've got a web page open on your phone and you want to go straight on your tab and view it from your tab. Once you click up, if you can see that, this is if you've got the recommended apps open, it will show you right there. Do you see that? See that little dot there? That means it's on your phone, and you can show it now on your tab. Now, if I was to go into settings and switch the recommended apps off, see what it says there? From your phone. Just click on that, and it will take you to the website that you were already viewing. If you don't have the buttons on your up the top, all you need to do is drag down your notification shade. You press the three buttons, edit buttons, and it should be here. If it's not down here, it should be up here. Drag it, see the circle, put it. It's quite easy. There you go. Perfect. So, my next trick is really easy. See the power button? Right, if I long press that, these are the options that it's going to give me. Power off, restart, or side key settings. Right, but it doesn't come like that. Out of the box, what's going to happen is your power button's going to wake up Bixby. So if I long press this, that's what your power button does. It opens up Bixby. Now, I don't want it to open up Bixby. I want it to be my power button. I want it to switch my phone, my tab on and off. That's all I want it to do. Yeah? So I'm going to long press that. Oops, sorry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down. I'm going to open up my settings, and I'm going to go to advanced features. From advanced features, you're going to find side key, and press and hold. Yes. You're going to either have it on wake Bixby or power off menu, and you want it on power off menu. It's as easy as that. Now, in order to access your camera faster, so double press your power button. You can choose that to launch your camera, to open up Bixby, or open up an application. Now, if you go here, it gives you all your applications. So now, if I want to if I want to open up, I don't know, let's just say Instagram, and I've got that as double press. When I double press my power button now, 1, 2, bam, Instagram. Right there. Okay, let's go back in there, but I have it to quick launch my camera. See that? Double tap. Bam, my camera. Hi, that's me. Now, in order for you to get your updates, right? Some people may not know. Some people just leave it on automatic. But to get it as quickly as possible, you're going to pull down your notification shade. You're going to go to settings up here. See that little cogwheel up there? You're going to go there. Let me get my trusty S Pen out. Right. Once you're in your settings, scroll all the way down, basically. And this is where we are. Scroll all the way down, and you're going to go here where it says software update. Once you're in software update, you're going to press download and install. Okay. As far as I know, this is a European update. Right. Let's see what's next. Okay. Now, if you go into your task manager, like I just did, see all these here. Now you can switch those off. All these apps, these are recommended apps, suggested apps. Now you can switch those off. So let's close down all my applications. Yeah. Look, the apps are still there. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the three dots at the top, settings, and you're going to shut off show recommended apps, or switch on if that's what you want. So if I shut them off now, go to my task manager, bam, nothing there. Yeah. Switch it back on. Bam, they're all there. Perfect. This was Cypress Realtek Reviews. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe and comment for future videos from Cypress Realtek Reviews. Have an amazing day.